Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can share your Instagram story only to people you follow in Instagram. So first, select add to make your Instagram story. Just click add story and select setting button in the top right corner and then select story. So select people you follow. Okay, just click on it. So if you select this people you follow, your story will share only to people you follow, and the people you don't follow cannot see your story in Instagram. So that's how you can share your Instagram story only to people you follow. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.